How to convert zip to APK on Android. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, all you need is a file manager of your Android. If you don't have a built-in file manager, you can also install using your Play Store. Just search for your file manager and download any one that you prefer. If you already have a built-in one, just tap open your file manager on your Android device. Now firstly, we need to locate our zip file. In the search bar at the very top, you can just type in zip. Now it will locate all of the zip file that is available on your Android. In order to convert our zip to APK, it is pretty simple. All we have to do is just press and hold onto the zip file. At the very top, you may find the three-dot icon, tap on it. Now just tap on the rename option. If you have the alternative method to rename the file, use the alternative option. Now as you can see, the extension is .zip. All we have to do is delete the zip and enter APK. Once we type in that, just tap on OK. Select on Rename. Then again tap on OK. Once we do this, if it is successful, you'll be able to convert your zip to your APK on your Android. Which brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.